friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're venturing on my channel for the first time today. Today's video is going to be something that I haven't really done before. It's going to be kind of more of a discussion video. I'm not going to be really going into makeup or skincare or hair care or anything like that, but I saw this trend going around on YouTube and I thought I would just join in and say, like, why not? Let's just do a type of video like this. I've already done my makeup look. We're going to sit back and chat a little bit, and hopefully you guys will find something that you enjoy in today's video. So today's video is going to be 10 things I can't live without. Now, disclaimer, obviously I can live without these things, but these are just things that make my day and my life a little bit easier, especially when it's 2020 and we are all being put through the ringer. These aren't going to be the obvious things like my cats, my fiance, my laptop, my phone. Not really stuff like that. These are just going to be like a bunch of random things. So if you guys are curious on what are 10 things I can't live without, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so let's just hop into it. We've got a bunch of different things in here. We've got skincare, we've got like random tools and stuff. We're just all over the place. If I can find links to these things that I'm listing today, all that info will be down in the description box below. Also, if you guys are curious on the makeup look today, that video will be right up there so you guys can check it out if you are curious. Alright, let's hop into it. I'm going to start off with like the smallest thing right here. This is the Dr. Rogers Restoring Healing Balm. I got this in a FabFitFun box, I believe. Not sure the price off the top of my head, but this is something they say you can use on dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails to aid in healing. It's kind of a weird balm consistency to use anywhere besides your lips, so after I do my skincare at night, I will apply this to my lips and it hydrates the crap out of my lips. My lips are super dry, 24/7, 365 a year, all the time. This stuff really moisturizes them at night, and there's really no need to like wash it off in the morning. It's not like a Laneige lip mask. It is super hydrating. Now, this may be an unpopular opinion, but I do not like the Laneige sleeping masks. I don't know if anyone else out there can agree with me, but I got a little sample size of like their most popular sleep lip mask thing. I honestly feel like it wasn't very hydrating. Maybe that's just me. Like, I feel like I woke up in the morning and my lips were drier than they were when I went to bed. So I don't know if I'm using it wrong or what it was, but I just did not approve. And I'm pretty sure this is cheaper than the Laneige lip mask. I'm not sure. I may stand corrected. But again, all the information will be included down below. But yes, this is a lifesaver for my lips. I know after we went hiking, my fiance and I, his lips were like super dry and I told him to exfoliate them and then use this, and he thought they like worked miracles. Next thing is going to be like another awkward thing, but it is the water pick. You can find this on Amazon. We just had to get a new one because our other one was leaking. We got this for Amazon deal days, so look out for deals for Black Friday and stuff like that. Will this video be up by Black Friday? This video might be up by Black Friday, so look out for deals. Water pick, amazing, lifesaver. I don't use it as often as I should. I really need to use it more often, but I have a permanent retainer on the bottom parts of my teeth, so that's just a wire there, so I can't really floss with normal flossing. I'd have to use like a threader and get underneath, and it's super awkward. Everyone here hates flossing. Everyone here lies to their dentist saying, yeah, I floss every single night. No, you don't. So this thing is super easy. It spits out a water jet. I know it's really weird. It's kind of a learning curve to use for the first time, but it gets out everything. You've got a stuck popcorn kernel? It gets it out in like 0.2 seconds. If you don't use it often, it might make your gums bleed. But I mean, if you do use it regularly and you floss regularly, it wouldn't be an issue. But this thing is super powered. It's got like 10 different speeds. I mix like 200 milliliters. Yeah, 200 milliliters of a mouthwash and then the rest with warm water. You want to make sure it's warm and not cold, especially if you've got sensitive teeth like me. It's like real aggressive. And then you just have a little nozzle and they've got different settings. Apparently there's a tool you can use to brush your teeth with that, but we just use like our Oral-B automatic brush head. But water pick, will save your life in the bathroom, just saying. All right, another bathroom item, which I'm surprised took me long enough to actually get, would be a shower cap. I've got two different ones. I think one I got in a glossy box and one I got, I don't know if I bought this one or if I got it on FabFitFun, but this one has got like a microfiber towel on the inside, then plastic on the outside, and then this one's like plastic on both sides. So these are a lifesaver if I don't want to get my hair wet at all in the shower, because having curly hair, I don't wash my hair every day. I don't shampoo it or co-wash it. Definitely not. So these help keep my hair dry. But also, they like if I want to do a protein treatment in my hair or a deep leave-in conditioner treatment for like 30 minutes and apply heat to it to really get that moisture, I will just stick one of those caps on with my product in and let it sit for half an hour or whatever and then rinse it out. So these are definitely worthwhile if you don't want to wash your hair often, or if you want to do like a nice hydrating protein mask or something like that. They're amazing and super cheap. All right, another thing for hair products, it's kind of like a combination or one or the other. So I have both. I have silk pillowcases, which are not just beneficial for your hair, but for your face. They keep cool in the night, so no need to like flip your pillow over if it gets too hot. It keeps my face like soft, if that makes sense. Like if I've got too scratchy of a pillowcase, it irritates my skin. And it also protects your hair from breakage and getting nice and frizzy or tangled in the middle of the night. So I've got silk pillowcases on, and then I've also got a silk like hair bonnet thing. I'm not as big of a fan of like this style. I want to get like a different style, more of like a wrap or something. But I just shove all my hair in this and I go to sleep. Or if I go to sleep with my hair wet, if I've been taking a shower at night like I have been, I don't like going to bed with my hair wet. It gets my pillow all wet and everything, so I'll put it in this to sleep with, and it helps keep my hair from like not getting too frizzy in the middle of the night, so I don't wake up and my hair is like, whew, which happens a lot if I don't use this. All right, so another thing that I like to use when I'm sleeping is a sleep mask. This one is a little mangled. I lost it and I couldn't find it, and I was searching all over the place for it, and it was underneath our mattress, so it got a little squished. But I liked this one because it was at least cushioned, and it has a nice hollow for your nose so it doesn't feel like you're suffocating, and it's got like a little elevated spot where your eyes are. I don't even know if I can remember where I got this one. I probably got it off Amazon. I feel like you can find most of the stuff on Amazon. But I used to not be able to sleep with a sleep mask. I would take it off and everything. But I like it to be pitch black when I'm sleeping, and my fiance likes a little bit of a light. So now we keep like our salt lamps on in our living room where you can see the light, and then I just sleep with a sleep mask on. And then I've also like in the mornings, if during the week I have off from work, I'll sleep in and he'll get up for work. He can turn on the lights and everything and not worry about disturbing me as much. So it's funny because I went from being able to not wear a sleep mask to not being able to sleep without one. So I've got this nice basic one, and then if you guys have seen in a box a while ago, I got a weighted one. I don't use that one as often, but if I feel like I've got a migraine or something, or I want to try to sleep on my back, I will put it on. And I think that one takes a little bit more getting used to, but I also like to move around a lot in my sleep and sleep on my stomach, and that one's just a little trickier to do so with because you've got like this pound weight on your face, and trying to move around in it is like a little weird. All right, number 6, I'm not gonna pull out in front of here, but also has to deal with sleep, and that is my heated blanket. I have an electronic heated blanket that you plug in, and it's got a control with a bunch of different heat settings, and I love it. My only issue is I don't really know how to clean it. I feel like there's got to be a way to spot clean it, or maybe take it to a dry cleaner, because you don't really want to like machine wash it. I don't really know. If anyone knows how to wash an electric blanket, let me know. But again, when it comes to sleeping, I like my room to be cold, but I'm constantly freezing. My feet are literal ice cubes, and if I reach over and touch my fiance's like leg with my foot, he like realizes how cold I am. And he likes it to be -50 in the room. You know, I might want it to be like at least +15. So he'll sleep with like just a dainty little sheet, and it'll be like 0 degrees in our room, and I'll be over with 3 blankets and my heated blanket on. So if you like keeping your room cold and then you get too cold, you have your electric blanket, and then it's just a nice little tab switch. So in the middle of the night, if I get way too warm, I can turn it off, and then once I get cold again, I can turn it back on. So I don't know about you guys, but like in the middle of the night, I could be like 1,000 degrees, and then the next minute I'm like 0 degrees. And I just fluctuate back and forth, so I can easily turn it on and turn it off if I'm too hot or too cold, and I can sleep like a wonderful little baby. All right, so now going to the other side of things. Waking up in the morning, if you are a coffee or a tea drinker, one of my favorite travel mugs is actually the Keurig mug. I think my fiance gave this to me a while ago, or maybe it came with my Keurig, but this thing keeps your hot drinks hot all day. Like if I put, like say I make my own homemade mocha, which is like hot cocoa and coffee mixed together, I will put it in here, and I've got a 40-minute drive to work, and I won't be able to drink this until I at least get to work because it's so hot that it will burn my mouth. This stuff keeps it warm all day. It's got a nice lock button, so if you see the red, you can't press this button, which will release like the hole to drink out of. And then to drink, you just push it back up, and then you can compress the button, and then it opens up here so you can drink out of. So I love this thing. Definitely keeps stuff really hot. I mean, you could probably find like 1,000 different types of thermos or travel mugs that keep stuff hot, but this is the one that I have, and I really like it. Now on the other side of things, keeping stuff cold. All right, so I'm that basic white bitch, and I have a hydro flask, but this stuff keeps my water cold all day. This is the 32-ounce one with a straw because I love a good straw, and this stuff keeps my drinks cold all day. So if I fill this up with like ice cubes and cold water in the morning, those ice cubes will be there all day when I refill my water, usually around lunchtime. And like say while I'm at work, I'll have my water in my car and it'll be like 80 degrees outside. I'll go into a building, patrol around for like 45 minutes to an hour, come back out to my car, which has been sitting in the sun, and I'll go to grab my hydro flask and it'll feel hot on the outside, but the inside is still cool. I love it. The only downfall though is if you don't put drinks in, like say you put in like tap water, it's not going to get cold as fast in the fridge because it is insulated. So you want to make sure you put cold drinks in and then they'll stay cold. But I think it works just as good as a Yeti, and I'm pretty sure it's a little bit cheaper. I did get the white version though to put stickers on, but stickers didn't really adhere to this as well as I thought they were going to be. So now it's kind of like banged up and scratched already. So I probably should have gotten a different color, but oh well. All right, number 9 is going to be something else I can't really lift up right here, and that is our Instapot. Let me just tell you how much of a lifesaver the Instapot is. With our schedules, we always forget to thaw something out for dinner, so the Instapot cooks stuff like that from frozen. You could throw chicken in there, you could throw in salmon, whatever you have, and from frozen, and you can cook it. And I mean, it takes a while to like warm up, but once it's warm up, it'll cook so fast. Food will be great. No need to worry about thawing something. And it has saved so many frustrated nights when we realize we haven't thawed anything out for dinner. And we're like, so what are we doing for dinner? I don't know. Want to throw chicken in the Instapot? Boom. Cooks it amazing. It's not too dry, still juicy, and you could do so many different things in the Instapot. You can also, I've done some of the other features other than that, but they do have like a slow cook option. You can saute in it. You can make like porridge or rice or yogurt or like so many different things. It comes with a little booklet and it tells you all the different magical things you could do with an Instapot, and I love it. And we recently got an air fryer. It's not included on my list, but that thing is also like, I didn't think we were going to use it as often as we did. My fiance literally bought it so he could make a bloomin' onion, which really didn't work out the way he thought it was going to. But now we've made like chicken nuggets in there, we've fried chicken in there, and it comes out with a much crispier skin than it would like frying in a pan with a bunch of oil. So that is like another amazing tool. Highly recommend. All right, so number 10, which I have talked and raved about before, is the Green Clean by Pharmacy. This is the Melting Make Away Cleansing Balm, and this thing makes taking makeup off so easy. I absolutely always hated using makeup wipes, so now I don't try to use them as often. I think I got like a sample size of this in a box one time, and I fell in love, and now I have like every size in the book. I've got this big boy right here, the regular, the small, the mini, the trial size. I've got every single size and above. There are other cleansing balms and stuff. I have tried the Clean Zero one, I think, which I think works like as good as this one, but I just really, really like this one. So it's like a really thick, consistent balm. So you take a little bit of this out and I like rub it together to make it nice and warm. And I just rub it all over my face and it literally melts away your makeup. It just takes everything off. You like rub it all in and then you splash it all off and it like takes off everything, including eyeliner, lash glue, mascara. It's amazing. I double cleanse though, so I'll go in with like a regular facial cleanser afterwards, but using this helps prevent using makeup wipes or anything like that. Sometimes I'll go in with this, and then if I don't want to like make a mess with splashing water all over my face, then I will use my makeup eraser to just wipe it away and makeup, poof, gone. All right, I think that was 10 things that I can't live without. So again, all the information will be down below if you guys are interested in any of those. All right, friends, that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my list of things I can't live without. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys and subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to my feline family. Bye. I feel like I can't do these videos because I'm always out of breath by the end of it.